This original power board is your reliable solution for restoring full functionality to your Samsung TV or monitor. Its compact rectangular design features a sturdy build with precisely arranged capacitors, transformers, and integrated circuits, ensuring stable power management and protection against voltage fluctuations. Easy to install, this board is a perfect match for specific models, giving your device a second life without the high cost of professional repairs or replacements. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to check the current price and delivery options to your region. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more expert reviews and smart repair solutions. Key specifications: original Samsung power board, model BN44-00599A, compatible with PS51 F4500AR and PSPF 251503A designs.